In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from FundedNext. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to app.fundednext.com and you want to sign into your account. And the first thing you have to do to actually be able to get the payout to withdraw, you have to have the minimum amount of $20 on your account, and then you have to complete the KYC verification to enable your payout request. So before you actually have your KYC enabled, you actually won't be able to see the payout button over here. But once you do, and once you're KYC'd on your account, over here under transactions, you're going to see your payouts button. You want to click on that, and then you will be directed to this very page over here. So here under payout, you can see the total amount of payout funds currently available for you to withdraw. Here you can see the pending amount, so the current amount that's being processed, and then over here you can see basically the amount that's being transferred to you to your bank account, for example. Now, over here, as you can see, these are the payout methods. So we can basically see these three options, Rise, USDT, and USDC over here. And over here, you can read all the notes about how long it takes, basically pretty much anything you could want to know. And over here, you can see the history of your payouts. Now, after you meet these two criteria up here, you can simply request your payout over here with a button, and then you are good to go. You've successfully withdrawn from FundedNext. So that's pretty much it. I hope the video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.